P as in?
P as in P as in parrot.
Parrot. Okay. So you're going to color parrot, is it?
Yes, yes,
Okay. So what all color you need to use?
yes, no, yes, no, yes, no.
Okay. So what all color you gonna use?
पापा
हाँ.
ये ब्राउन किस में करना है?
देखो. Look carefully. Where you have to use brown?
ब्राउन इस
Look carefully.
ये
हाँ. What is that? No, no, not there.
ये
Look here. What is this?
ब्राउन.
This is tree branch. Okay. So you have to use brown and branch. Oh, careful! It's going out. Be very careful. Yeah.
लो हो गया. पापा
Now, which color you gonna use?
yes, orange.
Orange. Fine.
Yes, orange.
Okay. This is orange.
Yes.
Okay. Which color you gonna use? Where you have to use orange?
Orange. Yes, now.
Where?
Yes.
Where?
Yes.
What is that?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Parrot.
Parrot's leg. Okay.
Okay.
Color there.
हो गया. हो गया. लो.
Wow. Now.
Now red.
Okay. Red. Where?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Fine. Do it.
Yes.
Be careful. Okay. See, color should not come out of the shape.
Okay.
और उनको आने दीजिए, वो आएंगे, हो जाएगा. अच्छा है. कम से
पापा.
कम आदमी
Wow.
आता जाता है. अकेले
See, there are
हिम्मत भी
fill
करता
the
है,
gap.
experience
There
भी
should
होता
not be
है.
gap. Okay.
आदमी अकेले कहीं भी वक्त जरूरी पढ़ने से अब आ जा सकता है.
Good. 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 Good.
और
Now.
green.
Okay. Entire body in green. Okay.
ये
Huh. Fine. See. Look here and color accordingly.
पापा ये येलो करना.
I don't know. Look in the picture.
Yes, P. ये
So what color is there?
पापा ये देखो ना ये.
क्या कौन सा color है?
पापा क्या ले रहे हो? पिंकी.
I'm taking a video. Don't worry. You color it. I'll send it to your daddy.
पापा पापा. Up.
Do it fast. Color it. See, I'm recording your painting. So Dada, Nana will see and then do it. Go there. See.
पापा इसको ग्रीन करना.
हाँ, fine. See here. See, ये यहाँ पे है ना? तो यहाँ पे कौन सा कलर है?
ग्रीन.
So do use it.
देखिए मम्मी, फीवर एक तरह का नहीं ना होता. वायरल फीवर है, नॉर्मल फीवर.
पूरा ग्रीन होता है.
हाँ. So you'll have to use green in entire body. Okay.
ओके. अब इसको
I don't know. You know it better. Look at the picture and then color it accordingly.
ऐसे भी सामान दीजिए, हम देखते हैं वो सब बाहर से इसलिए वो मंगा के खाए. हाँ.
Wow. Good.
नाती और हाँ. ये कोई बात हो गया. बच्चा ना बदमाशी करे तो आदमी उसको सजा देगा नहीं. चलो इतना बात मत करो, मुझे तो कुछ भी रहता है.
लो.
Wow. Is it done?
Yes.
Yes?
ये
Fast. Head. That is head.
head, no head.
Yes.
Eyes.
No. See? Is it green?
Yes, yes.
Is it green?
No. ये
नहीं मम्मी, हो सकता है कि आदमी को कल ऐसे ही जवाब देने से वो लोग शांत रहता है, समझे? और कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वैसा आदमी को ना आप बेटी के हक में ना करके बोलिएगा ना।
हो गया।
Clapping.
और
हो गया done.